kids! Welcome back to Tiny Math Genius. Are you ready for a super fun math challenge? Can you solve these simple math questions in just 5 seconds? Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. Let's begin with the easy level.
Question 1. 3 plus 4. The answer is 7. Great start. Question 2. 5 plus 6. That's 11. Easy, right? Question 3. 7 plus 8. Did you get this one? The answer is 15. Got it? Question 4. 6 plus 9. Same answer coming? Still 15. Nice one. Question 5. 8 plus 5. Think fast. See the pattern? Medium level, checking up. Question 6. 9 plus 7. The answer is 16. Well done. Question 7. 8 plus 9. Is your answer matching? 17. Got it? Question 8. 9 plus 6. Think fast. $15. Careful. Back to 15. Question 9. 7 plus 7. Double trouble. $14. Almost there. Question 10. 9 plus 8. Did you shout it out? 17. You're halfway through. 2-digit level. Let's verify. Question 11. 10 plus 8. The answer is 18. Nice work. Question 12. 12 plus 9. What was your answer? $21. Did you get that? Question 13. 14 plus 7. Think fast. $21 again. Got it? Question 14. 16 plus 8. Take a second. $24. Almost there. Question 15. 17 plus 6. What's the sum? $23. Nice one. Question 16. 18 plus 9. Don't rush. 27. Getting bigger now. Tricky level. Final check. Question 17. 29 plus 14. get this one? The answer is 43. Think fast. Question 18. 38 plus 25. Take a second. 63. Almost there. Question 19. 47 plus 36. So close now. 83. Did you nail that one? And the final one, 59 plus 43. What was your answer? The answer is 102.
Great job! Subscribe to Tiny Math Genius for more fun math quizzes. See you in the next video.